Oh. Oh. If you guys recall, SB tried to pull a prank on me. Man, why'd I have to get sick when it's so hot out there?
I hate it too, man. I hate getting sick. It's just the worst.
What are you doing? What are you doing? He actually thought that was a prank. I guess he hasn't been watching my videos to know what a prank is. So I actually tried to get back at him and it kind of backfired even though I did get him somewhat. Hey, can you get that broom? Yeah,
Yo!
Even better.
And you got the whole setup, man.
So yeah, I kind of got him, but it wasn't the prank that I intended to pull on him. So in this video, I'm gonna pull a prank on him that he will not see coming. He should be here in a bit, and I've prepared a prank for him. Although what he thinks is actually a challenge, it's gonna turn into a prank. We're gonna play a little game where I'm gonna be throwing foam balls and ping pong balls at him, and he has to catch them in his head with a little makeshift hat that I just made. You'll see right now. And I'm gonna bet him something just to make him think that this is a legit challenge. But little does he know that it's actually a prank, because some of the foam balls and ping pong balls are actually gonna be eggs. If all goes right, guys, he's gonna have an egg cracked on his head. It's gonna be super hilarious, guys. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that, because you guys don't want to miss me getting SB with an egg. So guys, if you're excited about that, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel with the bell notification is turned on. That's always helpful. And check it out. Hey, we're about to shoot, man. Get in the... Hey, stop! Shh. Sorry guys, that's the dog.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got the rules, right?
Yeah, I got the rules.
Now, what do you want to bet?
I'll bet you some wings. If you make them all, wait, no, because I'm gonna help you, right? I'm gonna help you.
No. All right, if you don't catch at least 5, you owe me some wings.
But then you can manipulate it, right? All right.
No, it's
we'll
gotta
do
be
that.
fair.
But make sure that you throw them fair.
Of course.
Make sure you're fair with
Of course.
it, right?
It's all on you though. It's all how you duck and how your head movement.
But you're not gonna throw it like down here.
No, that won't count. That will count against me.
All right.
Wings opening day of the World Cup. Actually,
good.
no. When Mexico plays, because Mexico.
All right. Yeah.
All right.
So Germany's gonna beat them, man.
Come on, man.
Hey, it's Germany. Right? It's Germany.
None of that stuff, man.
Germany. I'm sorry. Germany is gonna win.
I believe in my Mexico. Anyway,
right.
This is the hat that I made. I don't know if it'll fit your little head, but let's see. I think my head's bigger than yours, I believe. So put it on. It's like you're gonna look like a chef. So.
All right, let's see.
It fits.
Fits me perfect.
All right. So I got the ping pong balls and I got the foam balls. Here goes. All right, here goes.
Oh.
Simple enough, right? So now I'm gonna get some distance. So you gotta do your best, man. You gotta do your best on
Make
this.
sure you throw them good though.
I am. I'm not gonna sabotage this for you. But if you don't catch at least 5, you owe me some wings when Mexico plays in the World Cup opening day for them.
From where? Wings from where?
Any wings. So let's go to Hooters, man.
All right.
You ready, SB?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do this.
Wings.
For the wings. You gotta get 5, all right?
All right.
He goes. Oh, you got 1. You got lucky there, man. Come on.
Oh, yeah?
Ah! Hey, you dropped it. 1-1. Oh. 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 So out of 4, you got half already, so.
Alright.
And it's big. So you got 3 so far, right?
Yep.
Let's see. Oh. Oh, man.
Gucci.
I got 3 balls here, and all you need is 1 to get the wings.
It's doable.
Here goes.
Oh!
What's that?
What was that, bro?
Oh, man.
Hey,
Hey, you got them all. Hey, this is just payback for the other day.
Now I'm getting you too. I'm getting you back.
Oh man.
Really? I'm getting you back for that.
Guys, I feel like a monster. Poor SB, he actually thought we were gonna have a challenge. He's very competitive, and he actually thought that he was gonna win, which he did. I did get 5 balls into that hat that I made, but one of those balls was actually an egg that cracked inside, and it got all over his head, his hair. He's washing up right now. Hey, SB, how does that look? How does that feel, actually?
I'm gonna get you back for that, man. But hey, it was funny.
Hey, good prank, right?
Sure, yeah, you got me good.
You're learning from the best, man. If you think you can pull a prank on me, go for it. Alright guys, well I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumb up, a like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, please subscribe to this channel with the bell notifications turned on. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. So I'm gonna go for this sauce because this is my favorite. I'm just gonna pour some onto it. This is what will happen when your victim opens a pizza box. So his first instinct will be to grab it, and this is what will happen. As you can see, it's no fun. Lay the lollipop on the surface and take your hammer and just hit it till it breaks. Oh, look at all those cracks. Yep. So what we're gonna do is place this on your friend's new iPhone. This is what's gonna happen. Whoa. You tell him, hey bro, drop your phone accidentally, and make sure he sees it, and he's gonna rush real quick and try to get it out.